Do you want to know how you can log in to your Netspend Western Union account? If yes, then you have come in the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another exciting video. I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Netspend Western Union account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and open Google. In the Google search bar, go ahead and search Netspend Western Union login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Western Union Netspend. So, this is a merge between Netspend and Western Union. What you need to do is write down the username and password associated with Netspend Western Union. Make sure that you have already registered to the Netspend Western Union so that you will not have any problems. Now, let's go ahead and fill your user details. Go ahead and write down your username, your password, and then click Login. This way you can successfully log in to your Netspend Western Union account. You can also click Remember My Username for you to make it easy the next time you log in. If in case you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links to retrieve back your username or recover your password. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click Open a new account. So, that's how you log in to your Netspend Western Union, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.